Hey influencers, in this video, I'll be sharing the 3 essential elements you'll need in your portfolio when working with brands. Stay tuned. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, my name is Gwen Lane and I help influencers grow their following, make money, and make an impact. Every influencer I know wants to work with brands, but some of them don't know how to get started or what they need to have ready. Here are the 3 essential elements that you'll need in your influencer portfolio if you want to work with brands. Number 1, a media kit. This is sort of like a resume for jobs, and your media kit will have all the information including your brand name, description, if you have a blog, your social channels, and your stats like how many followers you have on each platform. Views, reach, engagement. It will also have your audience demographics and brands you've worked with before. Pretty much everything a brand would want to know before they choose to work with you. Now, when you're just starting out, you may not have a lot to put into your media kit, and that's okay. That's why if you're just growing your following, you really want to work on that every single day and doing as many brand collaborations as you can. Think of it as gaining experience and doing internships to put on your resume. You want to start building your influencer portfolio right away. Number 2, a rate card. Consider this like a price sheet or a menu for your services. So let's say a brand reaches out to you and after reviewing your media kit, they want to know how much you charge. You'll want to send them your rate card instead of just typing out a number via email because it's much more professional. In your rate card, you'll list out your services like a sponsored blog post or Instagram post or a Facebook post or email newsletter inclusion and their price for each service. Some influencers like to do package deals so you can charge more, and brands like it because instead of a one-off post, they'll feel like they're getting a bigger campaign. The third thing you'll need in your portfolio is case studies. Now, a lot of influencers don't include this in their portfolio, but I think it will make you stand out. Case studies can be in the form of a presentation or proposal, so just a few pages of brand collaborations or partnerships that you've done before. And you can include screenshots of the blog post or Instagram post showing the reach and engagement that it received, as well as feedback from your audience. If you can show any ROI, that stands for return on investment, brands really like that and most likely will want to work with you. So every time you do a brand collaboration or partnership, you really want to add them to your case studies for your next deal. So to recap, the 3 essential elements that you'll need in your portfolio when working with brands are a media kit, rate card, and case studies. You can create these all on your own using Canva, a free graphic design software that's really easy to use. I'll link to it below in the description so you can check it out. I also wanted to give you my free Influencer 101 course. It's a free 5-day course that takes you through my 5 steps to build your brand and make money as an influencer. Sign up now by clicking the link below and you'll be getting an email from me right away so you can get started. Don't forget to like this video and comment below with what essential element you still need to create for your portfolio. And subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about growing your following, making money, and an impact as an influencer. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.
Do you want to grow your following and make money as an influencer? Want to connect with other women influencers like you? Let me be your guide, mentor, and teacher. I created the Spark Society, a community for women influencers where you'll get access to our free resource library, influencer opportunities, and our private Facebook group. Go to thesparksociety.org to get started right now.